Hey, this is Gayle from BERNINA of Naperville, and I wanted to start out by telling you thank you so much for being our customers. I really appreciate it. It's been quite a year, and November is the time when you start thinking about, all of those things that have really made BERNINA of Naperville thrive for 2024. So because of that, we want to really thank you. We want to thank you with some discounts. We want to thank you with a little added incentive if you want to get on the holiday wish list. And so let's talk about that wish list. So basically, all you have to do here is go to BERNINAofNaperville.com or call us up or click a link that you will see coming to you in your email box if you are subscribed to the BERNINA of Naperville e-newsletter. And what our wish list is, it's just a piece of paper, it's a form that you can fill out, and then you send it back to BERNINA of Naperville, and we hold on to that so that you can tell all of your friends and loved ones that you have basically a registry here at BERNINA of Naperville. Now, why is it different this year? Well, first of all, it's because we are giving back. So anything that you fill out and put on that list, you can get up to 25% off on, or the loved one that purchases for you will get 25% off. And there are some exclusions. I have to say, machines and some of our Lorastar or Oliso irons, but if it is on that list, you're going to get the best price on those items. So please check that out. Now, it's one thing to put the things on the list for your loved ones, but we also have business cards that you can pick up here and hand out to your friends and family to make sure that they're going to be getting the best price for you as well. And you can also put yourself on the list and buy the stuff for yourself. We don't really care. So then another thing that I wanted to tell you is for every wish list that we receive on December 3rd, we're going to do a drawing, and whatever name we draw is going to get a $100 BERNINA of Naperville gift card. That's good on anything here in the store. It's good on service. It's good on whatever you can think of, even machines and accessories and those Lorastars and the Oliso irons. So I hope that will be something to entice you to fill out our wish list. All right. Topic number 1, off the list. Topic number 2, let's talk a little bit about a really cool event that's coming up. It is our Kimberbell Gingerbread Christmas event. And this one is so cute. There are 3 easy little projects. It's a 1-day virtual event, and it's on Friday, November 22nd. Now, our virtual event is not live. It's not some Zoom thing that you're going to be glued to the screen like a zombie all day. It's actually me virtually taking you through the steps with my techniques and our own little flair. And the video is made especially for you, and you will get to watch it starting Friday, November 22nd, but it's going to be up for as long as it takes you to make the project. So if you can't tune in right when it premieres, you will have as long as it takes to make it. Now, when you sign up, you're going to get that really cute Kimberbell kit with the little snow globe dome, all of the things that are included, the USB stick, the designs, all of that stuff. And so I just wanted to make sure that you sign up for that if you want to participate, whether it is virtually on that day or if it's virtually during the course of the holiday season. So check it out at BERNINAofNaperville.com, search Kimberbell Gingerbread Holiday Event, and it will be right there. So thank you for that in advance. So BERNINA's Black Friday event starts November 15th, and there's just simply a lot of stuff on sale. There's the BERNINA L860 for $34.99. The BERNINA 700 embroidery only machine is $34.99. And the B590 is $49.99. Now that is less than what we were selling our trade-ins at. So, oh my gosh, rush in immediately to save on that machine. Additionally, the long arm sit downs start at $59.99. That's the Q16 on the adjustable folding table. But I have to tell you, if you are looking for something a little bit less than that and you don't mind that it's been broken in by somebody else, we also have some trade-ins that are at fantastic prices too, but you're going to have to call the store to find more information out about that. And then, of course, there are some Burnett savings starting at $249 for the crafter, going all the way up to $14.99 if you're interested in the B68 air threading serger and cover stitch combination machine. The Bernina stitch regulator is on sale for $400 off at $59.99. And that Bernina holiday box, if you missed it last year, it's back this year. So the holiday box is $6.99 this year. And you know what? We're very excited about that because that's one way that you get that cool vegan shopper tote that you can make. Then the one thing that I really, really, really wanted to talk to you about is the Bernina 480 and the Bernina 485. Now, there are a lot of you that watch us out there on YouTube, and you're like, really, Gayle, I want to buy my Bernina from you. And you know that we're limited with what we can ship. Yes, we can ship some of those trade-ins. So hop on over to the adoption shelter and see if something tickles your fancy, but I digress. But there is an internet machine that is on wicked sale. Can I say wicked during the holiday season? I'm not sure. I'm going to anyway. So the 485, now that's just like the 480, but with those 5.5 narrow millimeter feed dogs that you guys love so much for the precision piecing and the doll clothes and the pet clothes and the little miniature quilting and everything. So the Bernina 485 is on special at $1,000 off for $24.99. And the cool thing about this is you can order it from us, then you get that machine shipped directly to you from Bernina, drop shipped, and then inside there's a little certificate, and that information is going to direct you to pick your dealer for education and for service. Now, if you happen to be local to us, I'd really appreciate you picking us. We're happy to service and teach how to use your machine, but if not, well, you can hop over to your local dealer. All right, now I can't talk about Bernina and all of the fancy things that are coming out without giving you an opportunity to try the Bernina 990 Ultimate Bernina machine, right? So we're having an open house. We have some demo sessions for you to sign up, and it's just a little thing to wet your whistle and get you excited about this machine. But there's no pressure because we understand that this machine isn't for everyone. So we just think that you owe it to yourself to just give it a try and do our little make and take because you get a little zippy clutch anyway, right? So stop on by. The open house is November 23rd and time slots start at 11 o'clock. All right. Well, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. And I got a busy store, so I got to sign off right now. But don't forget to check out our Bernina of Naperville YouTube channel if you want to see more things, more tutorials, more little things about what's going on at the store. So it's easy to find. It's youtube.com/Bernina of Naperville. And there you can like, comment, and subscribe. Happy Thanksgiving.